I'm going to show you how to make a blonde ron. First, take your ice and pour it in your glass. Then you're going to add an ounce of clear rum. Any rum you prefer, doesn't matter. Just make sure it's clear. You're going to use an ounce, which is the bigger part of your jigger. The smaller part is half an ounce. Next, you're going to take some Sprite and add 4 ounces of that. Pour it right in like so. Then you are going to add a splash of pineapple juice to make it a little fruity. And then you're going to take your drink, pour it into your tin, shake it up nice and cold, and you're going to put it into a Collins glass, just like so. And if you want to make it pretty, you can put a cherry in it and a straw. Don't throw the straws everywhere. And you can enjoy it. This is good for the ladies. The ladies love this one.